Guys, this is my travel experience from Ghana to Accra, and from Accra to Doha, Qatar. It wasn't easy journey for me. From Atebubu, I took bus from there, which almost taking 9 hours from Atebubu to Accra. See how people are still standing. We are going down. It's not easy journey. It's not easy journey. See, it's not easy. I decided to record everyone here. From Atebubu straight to Accra. This is my experience in the VIP bus. Television, everything is set there. So from there I took my plane straight from Accra to Doha. So you see how we are enjoying our fruit juice. Yeah. You see, we are talking about ourselves, how life is going in Ghana, how difficult things have go now. Yeah. I and my good friend Daniel Elisha. It's not easy. This is Qatar Airways. My experience also in Qatar Airways. Very nice experience. Very, very nice experience. By the grace, I was sitting almost closer to the window side, so I was observing everything. So they serve us our meal. I'm enjoying. Yeah. Qatar Airways is the best airways I have ever traveled with. So we have arrived in Doha City, which is Qatar, Ahmad International Airport. You see the view, how the environment looks like. Very nice. So if this is your first time watching, this is DKY Media 56, and I'm in the person of Akwasi Yeboah.